What would you do if your day had only 5 hours of light in it? This is the land I grew up in. Each year, when the winter comes to cover us with snow, the sun takes both its warmth and light away from us. Darkness eats away our daylight hours until in the heart of the winter we have almost 19 hours of darkness per day. This is why we have become so good at lighting fires, building saunas, cooking heartwarming meals, and holding each other close to keep us warm. And when the spring drives the darkness away, we see the nature waking up from its sleep. Summer for us is the season of light when our plants, fields and animals soak up all the sun they can get, and we humans celebrate the beauty of the midnight sun. In this extreme fluctuation between scarcity and bounty, our food gets its delicious taste. The endless sunlight infuses our berries with sweetness, our fish with vitamins, and our vegetables with intense flavors. In my family, it was my grandma and father who taught me to go to the forest and find the best berry picking places. At home, we turned the gifts of the forest into jams, mushroom sauce, berry juice, and blueberry pie that we enjoyed while eating together. That's how I learned when you serve food, even the smallest details count when creating a memorable experience. With over 14,000 kilometers of shoreline and more than 13,000 islands, Lake Saimaa is the biggest one in Finland. The lake also houses a special resident called the Saimaa seal. With only 480 seals left, it's an endangered species, and we are developing new fishing methods that are safer for them. Saimaa is an area empires have fought over many times. As a testimony of these wars, we have the Olavinlinna Castle, the northernmost medieval castle in the whole world, nowadays hosting the world-famous Savonlinna Opera Festival. Earlier, in 2023, Savonlinna, together with surrounding areas, was awarded the Sustainable Travel Finland certificate. I believe that chefs have a big role to play in sustainability, because we can choose locally grown produce and prepare the food in a way that minimizes food waste. When I graduate as a chef, I want to work with the best chefs around the globe and make Lake Saimaa and its treasures known to the world. I am Matias Roisko, and this is Lake Saimaa, Finland.